Island FX Trader here, back with another video. I know for a fact that I haven't been consistent, so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, and I want to remain consistent. I will show you guys what I've been working on. It's actually a prop firm, prop account. I've been working on that. Regarding the last video I posted, where I think it had to deal with growing a small account, I can recall that the risking aspect of the video, even in the video, I noticed that I kind of broke one of the rules, which is risking when the account, in terms of how much I risk, sorry, when the account is at a certain amount. Even though some of those trades did end in profit, I realized that I risked too much. So I want to do it the right way. I want to do this video in its entirety. So I've decided to start the challenge again and risk what is needed. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. That's crazy. Can you believe the input for the mic got destroyed just after making the intro for the video? Every time you feel like, yeah, you're going to be consistent, you're going to stick to a plan, stuff like this happens. Nevertheless, the video continues. Okay, so what have I been up to? So this is basically what I've been up to. By the way, I feel a bit nasal, so please excuse me if I sound a bit sick. For the individuals who do trade, I'm pretty sure you know what a prop firm is. For individuals who do not trade, a prop firm is a capital provider. So they have the funds, and like the screen says, you have the skill. So whereas maybe you'd have a small personal account, making small profit, at the end of the day, profit is profit. But with a prop firm, they're easily able to provide you with $100,000, $10,000, $25,000. But of course, that is at a fee, right? So you'd have to prove to them that you're capable of making 8 to 4% on whatever money it is that they're offering. So this is what I've been up to, and I can honestly say that it's been going alright. Okay, let's dive into the meat of things. Alright, so you could see ongoing on this and ongoing on that. That's a competition account, and this is a 25k two-step, like it would say, but that is the final step, right? So on this one I'd have to make 4%. So this one is the one that I passed. I would have had to make 8% of the total that they provided me with, and the 8% would have been $2,000. So let's just jump into that. Alright, so you can see on the top here, nice little congratulations, you received the next phase, etc, etc. So it has passed next to it. The profit target that I had to meet was 8%, and I went just above it, so everything was good. Profit target met. For the time period that I did this, so I started September 2nd and I finished October 15th, so a little over a month, right? Alright, so I guess they took into account all of the data, etc. So you're saying here that my average loss would have been 154, whereas my average win would have been 256, which kind of sounds about right, especially where the average win is concerned, because I would usually risk about 1% of the account, which would be 250 US at all given times. So an average win of 256 definitely makes sense. So right here you have a daily summary of all of the trades that I took. We could go through those. Started off with a bang, 126, 168, 1316, 280, got a loss, made a win again, 482, big win, 284, small loss, 243, a win, 249, made a 249, 287, 242, 248, 244, This was kind of like a mini losing streak, and then I came back strong and give them bam four, bam four, bam three, and then that was the final trade to complete the challenge. Um, all of this is just data essentially. I like how Funding Tips has the calendar. They have everything put together so nicely. You could check your data, etc., etc. Um, but that is what I have been up to. I feel like I'm getting the flu, by the way. So I'm really sorry if I sound sick once again. If we do for the month, this is the overall graph of the progress. Right? So this is the overall graph of the progress. Yeah, so yeah, that was pretty good. Um, Past that, I'm happy about that. I got the phase two, right? I haven't. I took a trade by accident. I wanted to put a. I was just fumbling around with the pending order, and I ended up opening a small trade and I closed it out. But yeah, so I passed phase one, which is 8%. Phase two is half of phase one, which is 4%. Um, I would give myself four trades to make that. Um, if I don't do it in four, I believe I'll do it in two. But yeah, at the end of the day, you follow your own pace. It's not a rush, it's not a competition, right? Um, but that is what I have been up to. I should have a clip of the final trade. The final trade, I actually took it live on YouTube. It was that night. I should have a clip, so I will put that in there. And of course, you're gonna see it. But yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. But where trading is concerned, and where what I've been up to is concerned, that is pretty much it for the video. In regards to the challenge that I was doing, I will be restarting that challenge because what I noticed is that I wasn't following the rules to the T. Even when I made profit, essentially whatever it is that I was risking was too much. So even when I made profit, now you want to discipline yourself. Whatever it is that you're going to do with a small account, you're going to end up doing it with a big account. So if you're going to mess around with a small account, you're going to end up messing around with your big account, right? So you have to have discipline around the ball. So I will be starting that again. So you could expect a video very soon. But as far as what I have been doing, this is it. Cool, cool.